in the black car because they go fast, according to Ellie. And this is what we're driving home in a blizzard in. This is travel day number 2, heading back to Maine. We're in the car. We got detoured already. But hey, we got to see a pretty building.
You wouldn't have seen the botanical garden if I hadn't.
That's right. This is life right now for God knows how long. At the Chick-fil-A. Her favorite spot. We gotta fuel our bellies and then fuel the van and keep on going. We are now in the Baltimore Tunnel. Doo -doo 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 -doo. When you cheer in the car, because cheer is life. And Emma's just like, I'm just here for it. We're touching our animals. How long do we think until they conked out? I got melatonin. Oh wait, it's in my luggage.
On the way to New Jersey, Emma only slept for an hour.
Let's see how many. I only used it the first night.
We used it every night.
I got 3 gummies. Perfect.
Gone are the days when we had our gummies.
Your TikTok is very dead. Like, if you're gonna do a TikTok, you gotta have more energy.
They're just recording the animals.
They're busy stunting right now. You gotta wait.
I'm hearing 1, 3, 5, 7 in my head.
3, 5, 7.
I'm having flashbacks to from Summit 2 years ago. 1, 2, 3,
5, 7.
1, 2,
3, 5, 7.
All I heard was 1, 3, 5, 7. So much it was like ingrained in my mind. I started hearing next time I'm like, yeah, sure, I'll accept the position to photograph for ESPN. And just so
One, hold 2, get up 4, 5. 16 is pow.
Bow, bow, bow.
Whenever I record them, they stop.
I know. It's just like my dog.
Yeah. It's because now they're watching themselves. the George Washington Bridge.
In my defense, at one point,
Winter weather condition, reduced speeds, it says. And you can see all of the snow stuck to the sides of the bridge. So we're on top of the bridge, not the bottom.
yeah.
I always end up in the middle. I know, it's so fun. Welcome to Massachusetts. Whoop whoop. Up to Boston Airport to drop Aaron off. It's so weird to not see any planes flying or nothing. Everything's just chilling in the whatever you want to call it, airplane parking lot. Those guys just honked at us and like almost took our rear end off the road because they wanted to like fly by to do their job.
And in our business.
Maybe we should report them.
I really hope you put that on your YouTube.
The airport, we didn't have any airplanes this way because I had to stop recording because the plow was trying to like
Kill
eat
us.
our rear end. Cars plow, not really snowed in anymore, I guess, but UPS has got all kinds of stuff. These cars are like stuck in. Let's see if I can go this way so you guys can see how much. Like crazy. This is Boston. Of course, those are cars plowed in. That's still a lot. Here it comes, the bridge that lets us know we're almost home, but not quite home. Sometimes it's a breath of fresh air, and sometimes it's a, oh, come on, let's get there. Welcome to Maine, folks. Now in Laura's car, going to head home from the Portland Airport. Have a good nap. Grace is doing, I don't know what. Almost close. It'll be like 2 a.m. when we get home.